Hello, everyone. Working on a VR experience for first time home buyers. This idea came from my work at a credit union. I'm a user experience researcher currently, where I've seen a lot of like how confusing and overwhelming the home buying process can be for people. It's heartbreaking when people walk away from such a major life decision without feeling confident or making the very informed decision that they should. And that inspired me to create this experience and just to know that I started this project with no background in Unity or coding. So I proudly present this project to you today. For goals and vision, the goal is to empower first time home buyers with knowledge and confidence. I designed this immersive VR experience to close that knowledge gaps and turn complex financial concepts into more interactive games inside a virtual home that could be motivating to go through as well because you're trying to get a home and you're going through a home to learn about these things. And it's about transforming the traditional learning experience, no more relying on like officers or reading tons of websites. And instead, users can explore and learn at their own pace in a way that's more accessible and engaging. Next is user interaction. Users begin in a virtual house where they can view instructions and enter details about their dream home, like the size, the location, the price range, the current savings that they might have. This could help personalize their tasks and experience in the house as well. And they can walk around the house, interact with objects, and complete tasks that would teach them key financial concepts that would affect their home buying process. And throughout this experience, there's going to be a visual tracker shows their progress and growing confidence as they learn more about home buying process that will help them feel more ready um, to actually begin the home buying journey. Next is the hardware and software. This was built using Unity and simulated on a standard computer with keyboard and mouse, no VR headset. And I also used a little bit of Canva for some UI design that I will present to you later, and sourced a lot of 3D assets from the Unity asset store to build the environment, the house, and all the furniture and stuff. Next is the demo. Here's the demo of hallway task. Users will find 6 framed pictures, each represent a step in the home buying process. The task is to arrange them in the right order. So once completed correctly, users earn points, showing that they understand the big picture of the home buying process and what steps they're going to have to actually go into and experience once they actually um, ready to start this process. There, great job, and you earn 20 confidence points. I also have the mute feature because sometimes some people, when they read some things, they don't want the background music to keep playing. So I add that feature as well. Here is a mock-up of another activity that users can do in the kids' room. So cleaning toys, teach users to learn more about credit score components. For example, a clock symbolizes credit age, a book represents payment history, and each object ties to a real credit score factor, what contributes to your credit score and how you can improve it, because that's going to affect your home buying experience. Next is another mocked up for the bedroom. This has a down payment calculator. So you will interact with the piggy bank where you will see the savings. You put in your savings, how much you have saved so far, and also the the price of the house that you want, and the system will calculate how close you are to meeting that goal to have enough down payment for the house. Next is another mocked up for the kitchen where you will see like a scale, and that teaches you about debt to income ratio. You can enter like a monthly income and also a monthly debt that you have, and it will calculate the debt to income ratio, which is a really important number that lenders do care about. Next is the future plan. So I plan to get feedback from mortgage experts at my credit union and also test it with real first-time home buyers that I do have access to. And I would love to expand this with VR headset support, hand tracking, and eventually a mobile version. And I hope to pitch this idea internally as a potential lead generation tool, helping us support future home buyers while growing our business impact as well. So, yeah, that's all for me. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.